Maryam Mirzakhani, Stanford mathematician and Fields Medal winner. Stanford mathematics Professor Maryam Mirzakhani, the first and to date only female winner of the Fields Medal since its inception in 1936. The quadrennial Fields Medal, which Mirzakhani won in 2014, is the most prestigious award in mathematics, often equated in stature with the Nobel Prize. Mirzakhani specialized in theoretical mathematics that read like a foreign language by those outside of the mathematics. Moduli spaces, tight modular theory, hyperbolic geometry, ergodic theory, and symplectic geometry. Mastering these approaches allowed Mirzakhani to pursue her fascination for describing the geometric and dynamic complexities of curved surfaces, spheres, donut shapes, and even amoebas in as great detail as possible. Her work was highly theoretical in nature, but it could have impacts concerning the theoretical physics of how the universe came to exist, because it could inform quantum field theory, secondary applications to engineering and material science. Within mathematics, it has implications for the study of prime numbers and cryptography. Mirzakhani joined the faculty of Stanford University in 2009, where she served as a professor of mathematics until her death. Maryam is gone far too soon, but her impact will live on for the thousands of women she inspired to pursue math and science, said Stanford President Mark Tessier Levine. Maryam was a brilliant mathematical theorist and also a humble person who accepted honors only with the hope that it might encourage others to follow her path. Despite the breadth of applications of her work, Mirzakhani said she enjoyed pure mathematics because of the elegance and longevity of the questions she studied. Mirzakhani's colleagues described her as ambitious, resolute, and fearless in the face of problems others would not or could not tackle. She denied herself the easy path, choosing instead to tackle thornier issues. Her preferred method of working on a problem was to doodle on large sheets of white paper, scribbling formulas on the periphery of her drawings. Her young daughters described her mother at work as painting. Mirzakhani was born in Tehran, Iran, and by her own estimation was fortunate to come of age after the Iran-Iraq war, when the political, social, and economic environment had stabilized enough that she could focus on her studies. She dreamed of becoming a writer, but mathematics eventually swept her away. She attended an all-girls high school in Tehran, led by a principal unbothered by the fact that no girl had ever competed for Iran's International Mathematical Olympiad team. Mirzakhani first gained international recognition during the 1994 and 1995 competitions. In 1994, she earned the gold medal. In 1995, she notched a perfect score and another gold medal. After graduating college at Sharif University in Tehran, she headed to graduate school at Harvard University, when she was guided by Curtis McMullen, a fellow Fields Medal winner. At Harvard, Mirzakhani was distinguished by her determination and relentless questioning, despite the language barrier. She peppered her professions with questions in English. She jotted her notes in Farsi. McMullen described Mirzakhani as filled with fearless ambition. Her 2004 dissertation was a masterpiece. In it, she solved two long-standing problems. Either solutions would have been newsworthy in its own right, according to Benson Farb, a mathematician at the University of Chicago. But then Mirzakhani connected the two into a thesis described as truly spectacular. It yielded paper in each of the top 3 mathematics journals. The majority of mathematicians will never produce something as good, Farb said at the time. And that's what she did in her thesis. After earning her doctorate at Harvard, Mirzakhani accepted a position as assistant professor at Princeton University and as a research fellow at the Clay Mathematics Institute before joining the Stanford faculty. Mirzakhani was diagnosed with breast cancer in 2013. In 2016, the cancer spread to her bones and liver, and she died on 14th July 2017 at the age of 40 at Stanford Hospital in Stanford, California. Mirzakhani is survived by her husband John Bondrack and a daughter Anahita, as well as her parents, sister, and 2 brothers.